With the mind calm and the attention resting in the dantian, step out to shoulder width. Lift the hands to shoulder level, heaven and earth. Catch the ball and step forward at shoulder width into ward off. Turn and grasp the sparrow's tail. Roll back. Press and push. Come round, making the crane's beak, and step out into single whip. Turn to the front and lift hands. Pull down, step forward into shoulder press, and the white crane spreads its wings. Brush knee and push. Play guitar. Brush knee and push. Walking through back fist strike. Parry and punch. Withdraw and push. And come round to seal the knot. And that's the first close up. Turn to the diagonal. Embrace tiger, return to mountain. Grasp the sparrow's tail, roll back. Press and push. And come round into a diagonal single whip. Stepping round, fist under elbow. Repulse monkeys. Keeping the feet parallel. And after the third one, catch the ball and step round into diagonal flying. Wave hands in clouds. After the third one, make the crane's beak, step forwards and come round into single whip. Snake creeps down. Golden phoenix, lifting the right leg and then the left. Pull down and kick to the diagonal with the right toe. Kick to the diagonal with the left toe and come round and kick forwards with the left heel. Brush knee and push with the right hand. Brush knee and push with the left hand. Step through, brush knee and punch to groin. Step through and grasp the sparrow's tail. Roll back. Press and push. And come round into single whip. Sink back, hold the ball. Fair ladies at shuttles to the four corners. Turn to the front and ward off. Grasp the sparrow's tail. Roll back. Press and push. And come round into the last single whip. Snake creeps down. Step up to 7 stars. Step back and ride the tiger. Turn, sweep lotus with leg. Draw the bow. Back fist strike, parry and punch. Withdraw and push. and come round to seal the knot and bow to the Tao.